Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring Python is installed and Vscode is ready. Open your project folder in Vscode, then install the Microsoft Python extension if not present. Once done, use Command Palette and run Python. Select Interpreter to begin linking. Make sure to choose the interpreter that matches your project: System Python, Virtualenv, or Conda. This first choice determines linting, formatting, and which pip installs affect your workspace. Proceed now to create or activate an environment. Now create and activate a dedicated environment so dependencies stay isolated. On Windows, run venv \scripts \activate on Mac OS /Linux source, venv/bin/activate, or use conda activate env-name. Once active, reopen Vscode or use Command Palette to pick that interpreter. The status bar will show the selected Python. Install common tools like Pylint, Black, and the language server in that environment so Vscode can use them. Make sure the workspace settings point to the same interpreter to keep debugging and tasks consistent. Finish by configuring debugging. Create or edit. Vscode/launch. JSON to use the chosen interpreter and workspace folder. Run a simple script to confirm the REPL, linting, and debugger behave as expected. If Vscode still uses the wrong Python, open Command Palette, reselect Interpreter, and set Python. Default interpreter path or Python. Python path in workspace settings. As a troubleshooting tip, if problems persist, restart Vscode with the environment activated and check the Python output panel for errors. That log often reveals path or extension issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.